GDocWeb lets us convert Google Docs files to GitHub Pages sites. I assume you understand it and already saw the introduction video. If not, I suggest taking a couple of minutes to watch it now. GDocWeb is fantastic for casual users who can now enjoy the benefits of GitHub Pages without knowing HTML, Markdown, or Git. But what about us, the hackers? Is GDocWeb a useful tool for those of us who do know these things? The answer is a resounding yes, besides the obvious convenience offered by using Google Docs. GDocWeb offers several capabilities that even sophisticated static site generators lack, and it makes the whole process very convenient. But first, let's explain what GDocWeb does in technical terms. This is the GDocWeb blog. It was generated by GDocWeb. At this point in time, it was generated by 4 documents. The first is the index document, which is the GDocWeb blog. The 3 posts are represented as 3 separate documents. This gives us control over the entire blog, but also implicitly gives us a lot more. But before we discuss that, I want to show you what goes on under the hood in GDocWeb. When we press the Finish button on the website, it creates a new branch, adds the changes to the branch, and creates a pull request for the branch. Here we can see all the files that were part of this blog post in the pull request. The default behavior is to merge that branch automatically, but you can disable that by unchecking the merge automatically in the wizard in GitHub, the GitHub step. The really cool thing is that we can generate a lot of the metadata for you. GDocWeb can automatically generate files like the RSS that you see here and the sitemap that you see here. These are the actual files generated to the GDocWeb blog. They work automatically, and there's only one thing you need to do for this to work. You need to set the base URL to your website as shown here. Both of these files need a full URL for their content. We can't know if you set a domain in the GitHub Pages settings. By setting this URL, we can construct a canonical link for each page, generate these files, and more. You might notice another interesting feature here. We support a target directory on GitHub. That means you can generate the docs into a docs directory, which can be useful for project documentation. You can still use GitHub as you normally would. GDocWeb doesn't delete files but might overwrite them. We use that behavior to place favicons in the root directory of the project. You can add other files like manifest, etc. A great option would be GitHub Actions, which can further customize your website. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in the playlist and channel for more advanced usage of GDocWeb, and let us know if you have any further questions or requests. We're constantly working on new features and would love to hear your thoughts on this. A like and subscribe to the channel will also be appreciated. Thank you.